Hello guys, again we've got another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this universal car holder. Free to band, user-friendly design, multiple compatibility, multiple main unit. See, universal, okay. We've got GPS, mobile phone, MP4 phone, whatever is suitable for you. You can see the pictures. Suction cup, knock cup, close neck, adjustable button for two arms. Let's open it, see what we have inside and how it works. Get a big suction cap, that's nice. And that is very strong, definitely they will hold. Now you can insert the first one here and you can lock it and you can move it around, then you can lock it with this button that it is here and it locks. The same goes and for the other one. And then you can lock it. You can twist it in the right position, both of them. And you can mount two phones instantly. Now, to hold your phone, just push this button and it will on. Then you can insert a phone. Same here, just open those two. Then push this button and it will open. Now we can do that just like that. And of course it's very easy. If you want, you can remove the picture and insert something that you like in here, and the same here. And it will be more funny. Maybe your family, your kids, something that you like. Let's mount it to the glass and see how it works. Well, here we are. I just put it to my PC. Well, of course, this is for the car. That is a glass. It's the same thing. You can see how it holds. Very nice, with no problem. Big, soft. Not damage your phone. Same here. That's nice. Well guys, that was all about this universal holder for your smartphone. If you like it, just buy it. It costs only €4, 4.5. I purchased it from eBay. It's a nice price to drive safe, to see your mobile phone and your smartphone better, and to put it in the right position that it should be. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.